This year we did an interesting project where we focused on project-based learning. The students put on an art exhibition that was completely student-led, where they did all the research and followed a project-based learning format to put on that exhibition.
All we knew about this project is that it was going to be a problem or project-based learning. So we started with one problem, which is how to create an art exhibit that features our artwork.
I find it really cool that we're really taking this into our own hands, and the thing that's unique about this is that it's really just the freshman class. We've been working towards this, and it's really cool that we went from, at the beginning of the year, a bunch of high school kids to now people who can create something beautiful and create something together.
The curators and directors were chosen by the teachers. And then everything else, we have installation and docents who kind of take the people around the show to the artwork and stuff. And we have like refreshments and entertainment and show design and a lot of different groups that everyone's involved in.
The job that I was assigned to was the jury. And for the jury, we had to decide what pieces of art would go into the exhibition.
We chose where all of the pieces went in the show. So as a part of that process, we got to go to all of the different art exhibits and art museums and see where and how other art museums were setting up their art pieces.
That's really a cool opportunity because not a lot of people get the opportunity to go inside an art show and figure out what happens. We got to meet the people behind the scenes and in front.
We went to the Canton Museum of Art and the Massillon Museum of Art, Saxton, and the Icon Art Gallery.
This was a great learning experience because we did everything and it brought us all closer together.
I think the exhibition went really well because even once it was finished, they still had us keep our art there for the first, I think for a month after. And I think it went really well. We got a really good turnout. The art was great. The theme was really well put together.
One of the things that makes JSA feel so special to me is I always get to have classes, at least a few classes every day with my friends, and I can usually hang out with them for a little bit if we have free time during the class period. It's a lot more based on projects than it is on just like worksheets and essays that you have to write. It makes it a lot more fun.
JSA is just, it lets you do so many things that normal high school doesn't allow. We get to go see plays, we get the experience that actually helps you.